The BenQ SW321C, Dell U4025QW, ASUS ProArt Display PA278CV, Gigabyte FO32U2 Pro, and BenQ EW3270U are the most popular USB-C monitors of 2025. But which is the absolute best? We're going to compare them to each other and score them in various categories, with some categories holding more weight than others. In the end, we'll decide which is the best one based on the final score, and we will declare the absolute winner. Let's dive in. First, we are going to compare them on the display quality category, which has a multiplier of 2. The BenQ SW321C delivers exceptional color accuracy with a Delta E under 2, and impressive 99% Adobe RGB coverage, though I found its 250 nits brightness to be somewhat limiting in well-lit environments. The uniformity across the 32-inch panel is remarkably consistent from edge to edge, making it perfect for professional work. 8 out of 10. The Dell U4025QW impressed me with its IPS black panel, delivering a strong 2000:1 contrast ratio and excellent 450 nits brightness, but I noticed some minor ghosting during fast motion due to its 5-millisecond response time. The factory calibration with Delta E under 2 and 99% DCI-P3 coverage makes colors pop right out of the box. 8.5 out of 10. The ASUS ProArt PA278CV shows incredible color accuracy with Delta E under 2 and 100% coverage of both sRGB and Rec.709 color spaces, though I found its 350 nits brightness to be just adequate for most environments. The IPS panel provides consistent colors from all viewing angles, making it a reliable choice for collaborative work. 7.5 out of 10. The Gigabyte FO32U2 Pro's QD OLED panel absolutely stunned me with its infinite contrast ratio and peak brightness exceeding 1000 nits in HDR, while the improved diamond-shaped subpixel layout eliminated any text fringing issues I've seen in older OLED monitors. The 99% DCI-P3 coverage combined with instantaneous pixel response makes this display a visual treat for both creative work and entertainment. 9.5 out of 10. The BenQ EW3270U's VA panel delivers a solid 3000:1 contrast ratio and 95% DCI-P3 coverage, but during testing, I found its actual brightness fell short of the rated 300 nits, measuring only 228 nits in sRGB mode. The color accuracy is quite good out of the box, with excellent grayscale handling, particularly in darker scenes. 7 out of 10. The Gigabyte FO32U2 Pro takes the crown in display quality with 9.5 points, thanks to its revolutionary QD OLED panel that combines perfect blacks with exceptional brightness and color accuracy. Next, we are going to compare them on the connectivity options category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The BenQ SW321C comes with a decent selection of ports, including 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB-C with power delivery. Plus, it includes a built-in SD card reader, which I found incredibly useful for my photography workflow. However, I was disappointed by the limited 60-watt power delivery through USB-C, which isn't enough for more powerful laptops. 7 out of 10. The Dell U4025QW absolutely blew me away with its Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, offering 140 watts of power delivery. Plus, it features multiple USB-C ports, 5 USB-A ports, and even an RJ45 Ethernet connection, which makes it a true connectivity hub. The integrated KVM switch worked flawlessly in my testing, allowing me to control multiple devices with a single keyboard and mouse setup. 9 out of 10. The ASUS ProArt PA278CV impressed me with its USB-C port, capable of 65 watts power delivery, and the ability to daisy-chain additional monitors through DisplayPort, though I wish it had more USB downstream ports. The built-in USB hub was convenient for my peripherals, but having only 4 USB ports feels limiting compared to other options. 6 out of 10. The Gigabyte FO32U2 offers a solid mix of modern ports, including DisplayPort 1.4, dual HDMI 2.1, and USB-C. But I was disappointed by the measly 18 watts of power delivery, which isn't enough to charge most laptops. The inclusion of both headphone and microphone jacks is nice, but the limited USB hub functionality left me wanting more. 5 out of 10. The BenQ EW3270U comes with 2 HDMI 2.0 inputs, DisplayPort, and USB-C connectivity, making it versatile for multiple devices. While testing different setups, I found the lack of USB hub functionality and limited power delivery to be major drawbacks compared to newer models. 4 out of 10. The Dell U4025QW takes the crown in connectivity with 9 points, thanks to its extensive port selection and powerful Thunderbolt 4 implementation that transformed my desk into a clean, cable-free workspace. Next, we are going to compare them on the resolution and refresh rate category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The BenQ SW321C comes with a 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160 pixels and a basic 60 Hz refresh rate, which gives you crisp image quality but might feel sluggish if you're coming from a faster display. While the 137 pixels per inch density provides excellent detail for creative work, I found the low refresh rate limiting for anything involving motion, earning it 6 out of 10. The Dell U4025QW impressed me with its stunning 5120 by 2160 resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate that makes everything feel more responsive. Though the curved ultrawide format takes some getting used to, and I noticed some motion blur during fast-paced content, the overall experience is solid, scoring 8 out of 10. The ASUS ProArt PA278CV features a 2560 by 1440 resolution paired with a 75 Hz refresh rate, which I found to be a sweet spot for productivity work. While it won't blow you away with its specs, the motion handling is clean, and the resolution is perfectly sharp for its 27-inch size, landing it at 7 out of 10. The Gigabyte FO32U2 Pro absolutely dominates with its 4K resolution and blazing fast 240 Hz refresh rate, making everything from cursor movements to gaming feel incredibly smooth. Despite some minor ghosting and dark scenes, the instantaneous 0.03 millisecond response time makes this display feel incredibly responsive, earning a strong 9 out of 10. The BenQ EW3270U offers 4K resolution, but is limited to 60 Hz. And while testing, I noticed some screen tearing that required AMD FreeSync to fix. The resolution is sharp for productivity, but the refresh rate feels dated compared to modern alternatives, resulting in 5 out of 10. The Gigabyte FO32U2 Pro takes the crown with 9 points, thanks to its incredible combination of 4K clarity and that buttery, smooth 240 Hz refresh rate that makes everything feel instantaneous. Next, we're going to compare them on the design and build quality category, which has a multiplier of 1. The BenQ SW321C comes with a practical shading hood and a versatile hotkey puck for quick settings access, though I found the overall gray aesthetic a bit uninspiring for a professional monitor. The stand offers good ergonomic adjustments but takes up considerable desk space, earning it 7 out of 10. The Dell U4025QW impressed me with its sleek curved design and excellent build quality, featuring a sturdy stand with 150mm height adjustment, but I wish the external power brick was integrated into the monitor for a cleaner setup. The premium materials and attention to detail make it deserve 8 out of 10. The ASUS ProArt PA278CV features a professional-looking design with slim bezels and excellent ergonomics, including portrait mode rotation, though the plastic construction feels less premium than some competitors. The versatile stand adjustments and clean cable management earn it 8.5 out of 10. The Gigabyte FO32U2 Pro showcases Samsung's latest QD OLED panel in a slim profile with minimal bezels, though I noticed the stand doesn't feel as premium as other monitors in this price range. The modern gaming aesthetic and solid build quality merit 7.5 out of 10. The BenQ EW3270U features a simple yet functional design with decent build quality, but the limited stand adjustability and basic aesthetics left me wanting more. The straightforward approach and sturdy construction earn it 6 out of 10. The ASUS ProArt PA278CV takes the crown in design with 8.5 points, thanks to its exceptional ergonomics and professional aesthetics that make it perfect for any workspace. Finally, we are going to compare them on the price-to-performance ratio category, which has a multiplier of 2. The BenQ SW321C delivers exceptional color accuracy with 99% Adobe RGB coverage and factory calibration, but I found its 250 nits brightness and 1000. Contrast ratio, quite underwhelming for its premium positioning, 6 out of 10. The Dell U4025QW impressed me with its stunning 5K 2K resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, though I noticed some ghosting in fast-moving scenes due to its 5 millisecond response time, 7 out of 10. The ASUS ProArt PA278CV really surprised me with its professional-grade Delta E less than 2 color accuracy and comprehensive connectivity options, including USB-C with 65 watts power delivery, making it an incredible value proposition, 8 out of 10. The Gigabyte FO32U2 Pro blew me away with its QD OLED panel delivering infinite contrast and 1000 nits peak brightness, although the price premium for these features is quite steep compared to traditional IPS alternatives, 7 out of 10. The BenQ EW3270U truly impressed me with its 4K resolution, 95% DCI-P3 coverage, and excellent HDR performance. Plus, I found its eye care features particularly useful during long editing sessions, 9 out of 10. The BenQ EW3270U takes the crown in price to performance with a score of 9, offering professional-grade features like 95% DCI-P3 coverage and 4K resolution while maintaining an accessible price point. The results of our comparison show each product shines in its own way, but the Dell U4025QW stands out with its score of 64.5. I've spent a significant amount of time with this model, and it's clear why it comes out on top. Its stunning 5K 2K resolution combined with a 120Hz refresh rate delivers an outstanding viewing experience, making both work and entertainment feel incredibly immersive. The Thunderbolt 4 connectivity impressively turns your workspace into a clean, efficient hub, while the factory-calibrated colors pop vibrantly right out of the box. The curved ultra-wide design takes some time to get used to, but once you do, it feels as though you've upgraded your entire visual workspace. The Dell U4025QW isn't just a monitor, it's an experience. That said, the other contenders have their own unique strengths. The Gigabyte FO32U2 Pro closely follows with its top-notch QD OLED panel, offering a breathtaking blend of 4K clarity and ultra-fast 240Hz refresh rate, landing at a solid score of 61.5. The ASUS ProArt PA278CV, with its professional-grade color accuracy and solid design, surprised me with a score of 59. Meanwhile, the BenQ SW321C is a versatile leader for creatives, providing exceptional color accuracy, though it fell short slightly in areas like connectivity and pricing, compared to its competitors achieving a score of 54.5. Lastly, the BenQ EW3270U managed a commendable score of 1.5, whether it's the impressive eye care features or the price-to-performance ratio. Each monitor offers something different, ensuring that there's a perfect option for every type of user.